Students, in this class we are going to learn Group D, Railway Group D, General Science previous year's questions, most important, which will be helpful for upcoming exams. First question. What is mixing an acid with water that results in a decrease in the concentration of ions per unit volume called? Option A, dilution. Option B, neutralization. Option C, acidification. Option D, concentration. And the answer is option A, dilution. Question number 2. Barometer is related to pressure in the same way as seismograph is related to. Option A, flood. Option B, earthquake. Option C, humidity. Option D, temperature. And the answer is option B, earthquake. Question number 3. Which of the following is an example of a metal that needs to be stored under oil? Option A, potassium. Option B, gold. Option C, iron. Option D, silver. And the answer is option A, potassium. Question number 4. Motion of a body with constant speed in a circular path is called. Option A, uniform circular motion. Option B, non-uniform circular motion. Option C, circulatory motion. Option D, oscillatory motion. And the answer is option A, uniform circular motion. Question number 5. Which of the following statements is true for metals? Option A, metals have 1, 2, 2, 3 valence electrons in their outermost orbit. Option B, metals have 1, 2, 4 valence electrons in their outermost shell. Option C, metals have 8 valence electrons in their outermost shell. Option D, metals have 4 or more valence electrons in their outermost orbit. And the answer is option B, metals have 1 to 4 valence electrons in their outermost shells are called metals. Question number 6. Which one of the following promotes cell division? Option A, auxin. Option B, gibberellins. Option C, cytokinase. Option D, abscisic acid. And the answer is option C, cytokinase. Question number 7. Which of the following statements is true? Option A, the mass and weight of a body change from place to place. Option B, the mass of a body remains same while the weight changes from place to place. Option C, the mass of a body changes from place to place while the weight remains the same. Option D, the mass and the weight of the body remain the same in different places. And the answer is the mass of a body remains same while the weight changes from place to place is correct answer. Question number 8. 1 joule per second is equal to dash. Option A, 1 ohm. Option B, 1 ampere. Option C, 1 watt. Option D, 1 coulomb. And the answer is option C, 1 watt. Question number 9. An ultrasonic sound wave has a frequency higher than option A, 20 Hz. Option B, 20,000 Hz. Option C, 200 Hz. Option D, 2000 Hz. And the answer is option B, 20,000 Hz. Question number 10. Which of the following can undergo sublimation? Option A, ammonium chloride. Option B, ammonium chlorate. Option C, ammonium sulfate. Option D, ammonium phosphate. And the answer is option A, ammonium chloride. Question number 11. The forces between two bodies are always option A, unequal and in the opposite direction. Option B, equal and in the opposite direction. Option C, equal and in the same direction. Option D, isolated forces. And the answer is option B, equal and in the opposite direction. Question number 12. Fibers are absent in option A liver, option B blood, option C kidney, option D heart. And the answer is option B blood. Question number 13. A stone is tied to a spring balance. Under which of the following conditions the reading on spring balance will show the least weight? When the stone is partially submerged in the water in a beaker. Option B, when the stone is completely submerged in the water in a beaker. Option C, when the stone is on the surface of water taken in a beaker. Option D, when the stone is suspended in air. And the answer is option B, when the stone is completely submerged in water in a beaker. Question number 14. The fourth and the fifth periods contain option A 18 elements, option B 8 elements, option C 11 elements, option D 9 elements. And the answer is option A 18 elements. Question number 15. Which of the following can neither be created nor destroyed? Option A force, option B power, option C momentum, option D energy. And the answer is option D energy. Question number 16. Which of the following sets are the best insulators? Option A rubber, glass, plastic, ebonite, cotton, copper. Option B bakelite, dryer, paper, ebonite, aluminium. Option C plastic, ebonite, paper, cotton, bakelite, dryer, rubber. Option D silver, copper, gold, iron. And the correct answer is option C plastic, ebonite, paper, cotton, bakelite, dryer, rubber are the best insulators. Question number 17. When two equal forces are acting on a body and opposite in direction, the net force acting on a body becomes option A 2 times, option B 3 times, option C 0, option D 4 times. And the answer is option C 0. Question number 18. Which of the following statements is true? Option A carbon dioxide diffuses from lungs into blood and oxygen diffuses from blood into lungs. Option B carbon monoxide diffuses from lungs into blood and oxygen diffuses from blood into lungs. Option C oxygen diffuses from lungs into blood and carbon dioxide diffuses from blood into lungs. Option D oxygen diffuses from lungs into blood and carbon monoxide diffuses from blood into lungs. And the answer is option C oxygen diffuses from lungs into blood and the carbon dioxide diffuses from blood into lungs. Option C is correct answer. Question number 19. What happens when dilute hydrochloric acid is added to iron filings? And the options are only chloride are produced. Option B hydrogen gas and iron chloride are produced. Option C no reaction take place. Option D only hydrogen gas is produced. And the answer is option B hydrogen gas and iron chloride are produced. Thank you students. Please subscribe and like it and share it. Thank you.